Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Conga 4090. Today, we will walk you through the essential steps needed to keep your device running smoothly. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a microfiber cloth, a can of compressed air, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Once you have your tools ready, start by turning off the Conga 4090 and unplugging it from the power source. This ensures your safety while working. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the back of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. After removing the back cover, take a look at the internal components. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting performance. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the internal parts, especially around the motors and sensors. This quick action can greatly enhance the efficiency of your Conga 4090. If you notice any stubborn grime, dampen your microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe down the surfaces. Avoid excessive moisture, as it can harm the electronics. Now, let's focus on the brushes. These are crucial for effective cleaning. Remove the brushes by turning them counterclockwise. Check for any hair or debris that may be tangled around them. Cleaning these brushes regularly can extend their lifespan and maintain optimal performance. If you find that they are worn out, consider replacing them. Remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so if you're unsure about any parts, feel free to reach out. Next, let's reassemble the device. Align the back cover carefully and reinsert the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightened properly to prevent any rattling during operation. If you don't have the tools or simply prefer not to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the maintenance process even easier for you. Once reassembled, plug the Conga 4090 back in and turn it on. Run a quick test cycle to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or performance issues, it might be time for a more thorough inspection. We can provide a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency and trust in our services. Finally, make it a habit to regularly check and clean your Conga 4090. This will not only prolong its life but also improve its efficiency, ensuring every cleaning session is as effective as possible. Remember, no calls, no travel needed when you choose our services. We're here to make your maintenance as hassle-free as possible. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.